Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers 11 October 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers, and this week in this video we have included 5 government jobs, 6 private jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first government job. In government job, first one is executive trainees at Cochin Shipyard Limited, CSL Kochi. Cochin Shipyard Limited is a listed premier Miniratna company, and it is the largest shipbuilding and maintenance facility in India. Of the services provided by the shipyard are building platform, supply vessel and double hulled oil tankers, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Qualification: degree in mechanical engineering with minimum 65% of marks. Number of posts are 37. Salary offered are 40,000 to 1,40,000 plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances. Total per month approximately 1,12,181 rupees. Age limit is 27 years as on 27 October 2021. Application fee is 750 for general and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Selection methodology. Selection process comprises of 2 phases. Phase 1 objective type online test of 60 marks and phase 2 group discussion, writing skills and personal interview of 40 marks. The phase 1 online test shall be held at various test centers in Kerala, tentatively scheduled in 3rd week of November 2021. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill the application through their website as shown on screen or through the direct link as shown on screen on or before 27th October 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. You can directly apply by clicking that link from my description, and by clicking that link in description you will redirect to the company website and you can apply directly from there itself. Next is Trainee Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bharat Electronics Limited, Panchkula. BEL is a Navratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence requires Trainee Engineer 1 on contract basis for its Panchkula unit. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay scale is 25,000, 28,000 and 31,000 for first, second and third year of contract respectively. Number of vacancies are 22 for mechanical engineers. Application fee is 200 for general OBC, EWS and no fee for PWD, SC, ST candidates. Upper age limit is 25 years as on 1st October 2021. Freshers should have completed 8th semester examination and should produce professional degree certificate or engineering degree certificate at the time of joining. Selection process. The method of selection shall be based on the marks obtained in qualification examination, relevant experience and interview. The weightages given will based on qualification exam 75%, work experience 10% and personal interview 15% of weightage. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates can apply through online by using the website as shown on screen or can apply through direct link as shown in screen on or before 27th October 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Indian Engineering Service IES examination 2022 through UPSC's last date is 12th October 2021. Assistant Engineer Grade 1 at the Ministry of Mines through UPSC's last date is 14th October 2021. Short Service Commission Technical Officers at Indian Army last date is 27th October 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Design Engineer at Xylem International Corporation, Vadodara, Gujarat. Xylem International Corporation is a large American water technology provider in public utility, residential, commercial, agricultural, and industrial setting. The company does business in more than 150 countries with 2018 revenues of $5.2 billion and 17,000 employees worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year of experience. Location of posting will be in Vadodara, India Technology Center. The roles: while based at the India Technology Center in Vadodara, the candidates will work with our global engineering staff on new product development and sustaining engineering initiatives. This project may include analytical calculation, concept development, design, productization, and the creation of supporting CAD models and specifications, etc. Responsibilities: supporting new product development and or sustaining engineering project within the water and energy sector. Part and assembly level development using CAD design tools and methodologies such as design for manufacturing, tolerance analysis, and digital iteration through simulation. Help develop new technologies for use in future products. Regularly engage with global team members via all modes of communication, including virtual conferencing tools, etc. Role is design engineer. Industry type is water technology company. Function area is technology provider. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is freshers 2021 pass out mechanical engineers at Reynolds Nissan Technology and Business Center, India. Renault Nissan Technology and Business Center, India (RNTBCI) is a captive automotive technology and business center supporting Renault and Nissan globally. Renault Nissan Technology Business Center, India is located at Chennai, India, and is the IT global delivery captive center for the Renault Nissan Global Alliance. The plant has capacity of 480,000 vehicles per annum. The capacity is divided equally between Renault India Private Limited and Nissan Motor India Private Limited. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Freshers 2021 pass out is required. Job location will be in Chennai. Role: CAE engineer to perform modeling, simulation, and analysis of powertrain system and components. Education qualification: BE or ME mechanical or automobile, passed out in 2021 from reputed institutions with a minimum GPA of 70% and above. Skill required: strong fundamentals in thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and heat mass transfer. Passion in the field of IC engine and related technologies. Good analytical and communication skill. Hands-on experience in either of tools in GT Suite, MATLAB, Simulation Link plus Simscape would be an added advantage. Role is CAE engineer. Industry type is automobile. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is application engineer at Alstom, Bangalore. Alstom SA is a French multinational rolling stock manufacturer operating worldwide in rail transport markets, active in the field of passenger transportation, signaling, and locomotives. It is one of the world's largest manufacturer of high-speed train, tramway, and metros, electrical and diesel trains, information system, traction system, power supply system, and track work. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Responsibilities and accountabilities: to generate or verify the system database based on application design data table and CRS. Realize, validate the CR related to synchronize DB. Always maintain OTD with a desired quality with a minimum or 0 defect. Conduct quality review for each SYDB delivery. To contribute as a team player in the SYDB team. Role is application engineer. Functional area is rail and trains. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Mechanical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Associate Executive at Aqua Chill System India Private Limited, Pune. Aqua Chill System India Private Limited is a turnkey EPC project company in the field of HVAC, process cooling, CHPC, architecture, and gas turbine inlet air cooling. The company caters to pan-India users as well as to users in Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year of experience. Salary offered are 1 lakh to 3 lakh 50,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: heat load calculation, detailed BOM and data sheet approval, creation of BOM in SAP, costing accuracy, HVAC system calculations, etc. Desired candidate profile: high technical skill, analytical orientation, understand and evaluated technical data, linking with the customer requirement, building best commercial solution, customer focus, etc. Role is associate executive, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Industry Process Consultant FEA at Dassault System, Pune. Dassault System is a French MNC software corporation. Dassault Group is headquartered in France and has around 20,000 employees in 140 different countries. Dassault System is a global leader in CAD PLM software, 3D design, 3D digital mockup products. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is 521594. Role: deliver Simulia services project linked to your discipline. Understand customer needs during a project. Prepare model setup, simulate and present results to the customer. Maintain a high level of expertise through training and certification. Job responsibilities: solid knowledge in CAD tools, preferably CATIA. Programming experience using scripting languages Python, VBA or EKL are preferable. Process automation using tools such as Insight. Knowledge of working using PLM or within managed data environment. Good analytical or logical and communication skills, etc. Role is Industrial Process Consultant FEA. Function area is IT software. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Engineer Quality at Ramboll Ghaziabad. Ramboll is a leading engineering, architecture and consultancy company founded in Denmark in 1945. Ramboll has more than 1,000 experts working across 5 offices in India, applying their passion to deliver innovative solutions in markets as building, transport, planning and urban design, water, environment and health and energy. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 year of experience. Job ID is JR17334. Job description: responsible to understand drawing and ensure minimum technical support at a production location, to come in shift and work independently, to be a part of analysis to overcome quality issues, with witnessing raw material testing for incoming material and random sampling at a partner's quality lab. Skill set required: should have minimum knowledge on using measuring instrument, basic knowledge in welding technique, should have knowledge in reading drawings and have knowledge in CAD softwares, etc. Personal competencies: graduation in mechanical engineer, 1 to 2 year of experience in any manufacturing unit in India, good listening skills and ability to communicate clearly and fluently in English and Hindi, ready to work in ship, knowledge in galvanizing process preferred. Role is engineer quality. Industry type is engineering, architecture and consultancy company. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this week's employment news video. This week no apprenticeship trainings are available. So for the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.